this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share a product review for you guys. I was contacted by a representative to do a review on this hot glue gun. It's called the MONVICT Cordless Hot Glue Gun. You can pick this up from Amazon and I will leave a link below in case you're interested. First of all, let's talk about what I like about this hot glue gun. First of all, it's cordless. I love that. And let's talk about the color. Okay, look at this beautiful pink color right here. Love, love, love the color of this hot glue gun. Let's talk about the tip for this glue gun. Look at that. It has a fine little tip here for your fine detail work. Some of the other things I noticed about this, when I charged it charged up really quickly. So I love that. Here is the power switch right here. You just hold it for 3 seconds and turn it on. I love that it has this magnet here. So it sticks right there. It catches really well so it don't, be falling all over the place. It didn't take it very long to get hot. When you hold this for 3 seconds and turn it on, it will be red. And once you're ready to work, it'll be green. I read the instructions and it turns off in like 5 minutes, I believe, if you're not using it, if not in use. So that's a great safety feature. Another thing I love about this glue gun, bam, it comes with a carrying case. Love that. So you can take this to your crops and have everything organized, really nice. You have the glue sticks here. It even comes with the colored glue sticks, and then some of these little craft sticks right here, and then here's the charger right here. So I love that it comes with the carrying case so that you can take it with you on your crop. Let me show you how it comes out. Look at that. Love it. Look, it still comes out. It just depends on how hard you squeeze the handle, but it can also be very thin. See that? If you don't need that much, just barely squeeze it. If you need a lot, of course, squeeze the handle harder. Okay? Not so much, barely squeezing, and you'll get a thin amount of glue there. So this is nice. I love it. Look at that. I love the magnet here, how it grabs it like that. Oh, I love that. So that is how it works. To turn it off, you'll just hit the power switch again and turn it off. And then it also comes with instructions. I wanted to come on and share this beautiful, I just love this color. Look at that color, you guys. Look at that. OMG, right? Love it. Love it. So if you guys are looking for a cordless hot glue gun, try this out on Amazon. You'll get it real quick and try it out for yourself. I really like it. So yeah, that's my share. Check the description box below so that you can go directly to the product and purchase. And I hope you guys like that review. Until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.